Hi, hello, namaskar. I hope you guys are doing good. Welcome to another exciting video. So we tried something different today. This is bird's eye chili butter garlic chicken. This is dry. So to start off, we took about a kilo and a half chicken. Give it a good wash with turmeric and salt, and give it a good wash. So once the washing is done, you can go about adding 2 tablespoons of salt, half a tablespoon or 3/4 of turmeric powder. Then you go about adding say 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, followed by freshly grounded black pepper. And this again, you can, depending on the spiciness, you can go about adding, say 2 tablespoons. Adding curd to it, you could go with about 3 tablespoons of curd. Once you have all these ingredients, just go about giving it a good mix so that each and every piece of it is coated with this mixture. Heating up a decent size kadai or handi, add in about 5 tablespoons of oil. Go about placing the chicken, across. Once you have all the chicken placed in, just go about cooking it for about 5 minutes in high flame. Then topping it up with the lid for another 2 or 3 minutes. Just keep a check on the chicken so that the water is not dry. Then you go about adding these ingredients. First we'll go adding the capsicum, which we have chopped. And once the capsicum is cooked for a while, take a separate handi and add in Amul butter. So once the pan is heated up, add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter and wait for it to melt. Add in some mustard seeds, followed by the bird's eye chili and the regular chili, and stir it for a while until it releases the aroma. Then you go about adding about 5 to 7 chopped garlic and fry it for a while. About adding 1 big onion, thinly sliced, and again fry it for about 2 minutes. Add few coriander leaf to it and fry it for a while. Some salt to it, followed by some chili powder. And again, chili powder, it could go as per how you want it. You can put in a tablespoon of it, and followed by pepper, that is black pepper, freshly grounded black pepper. You can go about adding about 1.5 spoons. Coriander powder, maybe like 3 tablespoons of it, and give it a good mix. You can add in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, followed by vinegar, maybe like 2 to 3 tablespoons of it. Adding the chicken that you had pre-cooked earlier. Give it a good mix at medium flame for about a minute or 2. Do a quick taste and add in those necessary ingredients if required. Add in the spring onion in the end because this gets cooked very soon. As this is close to be done, add in the coriander leaf to it. Give it a good mix and in simmer keep it for a minute, and it's ready to be served.